How to see your Snapchat call history. First, open Snapchat app on your phone. You can do it on iPhone or Android. Now look at the top left corner of the screen. Click on Profile icon. Then, see top right corner. Click on the gear icon to go into your settings. Scroll down the menu to find the Privacy Control section. Here, click on My Data option. Now Snapchat will ask you to log in again to access your data. Once you are logged in, you will see many options to export your Snapchat information. Here, confirm chat history is selected, along with any other data you might be interested in. After that, click on Next. Now, you'll choose the range of the export. You can select from options like the last week, month, year, or all time. Once it is done, click on the Submit button. After that, Snapchat starts preparing your data, which will include all your messages, and they will send it to your email. Now, open Snapchat and navigate your settings to go to My Data option. Here, look for the See Exports option. Then, click on it. A pop-up will come. Then, click on Download. Once it is downloaded, go back to the home screen. Open Files app. Here, you can find the downloaded zip file. Tap on it to extract. Now open the extracted zip file. Then, select the HTML file. Here, you can find information about your Snapchat account. Scroll down, click on Talk History to open. Here, you can find all your call history, and that's it.